In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords in Semrush in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you feel comfortable using. Now in the search bar, type in Semrush to find the official website. Once the site loads, make sure you're logged into your Semrush account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Semrush dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with a variety of tools and options. We'll start by navigating to the Keyword Magic tool. This is an incredibly powerful feature that Semrush offers to help you explore and manage potential keywords that suit your marketing strategy. Click on it to open the tool. Once you're in the Keyword Magic tool, you'll see a search bar where you can type in the initial keyword that you're interested in. Enter that keyword and press Enter, or click the search icon. What Semrush does next is quite amazing. It generates a wide array of related keyword ideas. These suggestions can really help guide you in expanding your keyword strategy. Take your time to explore these generated keyword ideas. As you browse through them, you have the ability to filter them according to your preferences. For instance, you can filter by search volume, keyword difficulty, or any other metric that's relevant to your goals. As you filter and examine these keywords, you can select the ones that resonate with your objectives. Once you have your desired keywords, it's time to organize them. Click on the Add to Keyword List button. This action will allow you to add these keywords to an existing list you may have or create a new one. Lists are a great way to keep your keywords organized and easy to access for future use. Another nifty feature in Semrush is the Keyword Strategy Builder. Switching over to this tool gives you more flexibility in how you want to structure your keyword lists. Within this tool, you can choose to create either a structured list, which can give more order to your keyword management, or just a regular list, up to you. While exploring, you might come across a keyword that you want to add immediately. In the Keyword Overview area, you can hover over a keyword and click the plus sign next to it to quickly add it to one of your lists. Finally, if you have existing keywords that you want to upload, Semrush allows you to do that easily. You can upload your keywords by importing a TXT or CSV file directly into Semrush. This option is perfect for those who have already prepared keyword lists in spreadsheet format. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add and manage keywords in Semrush. This will be invaluable for crafting and refining your keyword strategy. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your keyword planning.